Hello everyone, I hope you are well. In today's video, we will see how ChatGPT can act like a Git command generator. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about how ChatGPT can help you understand the complex code? If you are new here, I am Hassan and I post tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment down this video. Let's start today's video without any further delay. First of all, open ChatGPT and you have to tell ChatGPT that it should act like a Git command generator, and I will give instructions to ChatGPT and it should generate the commands. So for this, we have to just type right here, I want you to act like a Git command generator. I'll explain to you what I need you to do and you will provide me with the right Git command. After that, you have to just tell that my first requirement is, for example, if you want to push the example.txt file, then you have to type right here, I want to push the example.txt file to the branch name example branch. After that, you have to just press enter and let's see what it gives us. So here's the result, guys. It generated the command git push origin example branch, and it says that this command will push the changes from your local repository to the remote repository named origin and specifically to the example branch. Make sure you are in the correct directory that contains the repository before executing this command. So you can just copy this command and execute this command and it will do exactly what you have asked ChatGPT to do it. Now let's move forward. If you want to perform various operation using Git with example.txt file, then I will show you some examples. First of all, if you want to see the file changes, if you want to check the changes you have made, then you have to just type I want to view the file changes and then you have to just press enter and let's see. So here's the result. It says in your case, if you want to view the changes made to the example.txt file, you would use git and diff example.txt. So for the changes made, you can just use this command and execute it. Let's move forward to the another instruction, which is about file history. What if you want to check the file history? Then you have to just ask ChatGPT to, I want to view file history and just press enter and let's see. So in our case, we will use this command git log -- follow example.txt. So this command will display the commit history for the file, including the commit messages, author information, and timestamps. So you have to just copy this command and it will exactly do what you have asked ChatGPT to do it. Let's move forward to another instructions, which is about creating branches. What if you want to create a new branch? So you have to just ask ChatGPT to do it. You have to just type, I want to create a new branch. And you can just tell ChatGPT the branch name. The branch name is example dash branch and you have to just press enter and let's see what we get. So it says git branch example dash branch and then it's generated more commands too. First of all, let's see this command. To create a new branch name example dash branch in Git, you can use the following command. So for creating a new branch, you can just use this command and paste it and execute it. So what if you want to just switch to the new branch? Then you have to just use this command, which is about. However, note that creating a branch only creates a branch pointer. It does not switch to the new branch automatically. So if you want to switch to the newly created branch, you can use the following command. So it will just automatically redirect you to the example branch after just creating it. And there is an alternate command which is about switching to the newly created branch after just creating it. So that means you can use one of them. Let's move forward to the next instruction, which is about switching branches. So what if you want to switch the branch? We have to ask ChatGPT, I want to switch the branch and just press enter. Let's see what we get. So it's the same command which we used before, which ChatGPT gave us before. It's like git checkout example branch. It will, in this case, after just creating the example branch, it will just automatically redirect you to this branch. But after this, if you want to just manually want to go to another branch, you have to use this command. It was for after just creating it, and it is for if you want to just manually want to redirect to another branch. Let's move over to the next instruction. What if you want to rename or move a file? So what you have to ask ChatGPT, I want to rename and move file and just press enter. Let's see what we get. So in this case, if you want to rename a file from old file.txt to new file.txt, you would use this command. And for moving a file, you can use this command, which is about if you want to move a file to a different directory while renaming it, you can specify the new directory path along with the new file. So if you want to just move the file while renaming it, you can use this command. So here's the original version of the command and this is just like a template. Let's move forward to the next command. This was the very simple. Let's move towards deleting file. What you want to delete a file from Git? So you have to ask ChatGPT, I want to delete a file. Press enter. Let's see what we get. get. So for deleting a file, you can use this command git rm example.txt. It will obviously delete the file. To commit this deletion, you can use the following command. So if you want to commit the deletion, then you have to use this command too. Let's move forward the next instruction. What if you want to restore the previous version? So I have to ask ChatGPT. We have to just type I want to restore previous version and then press enter. Let's see. So here is the result. To restore a previous version of a file in Git, you can use the following command. So you have to just use this command if you want to restore a previous version of the file. To find the commit hash of the previous version you wish to restore, you can use git log command to view the commit history. Once you have identified the desired commit hash, you can use the git checkout command to restore the file, and you can use this command and you will exactly get what you have asked ChatGPT to do it. Let's move forward to another command. What if you want to view the file contents? So I have to ask ChatGPT, I want to view the file contents. Press enter and let's see what we get. So ChatGPT gave us multiple methods for viewing file contents of a file. We can use cat, we can use less, and we can use a text editor. So if you just want to go for simple view, you can just use this cat command. Let's move forward to the new instruction, which is about reverting file changes. So what if you want to revert the file changes? So you have to just ask ChatGPT, I want to revert the file changes. Press enter, let's see what we get. So if you want to revert the changes made to a file in Git, you can just use this command simply. And if you have already committed the changes and want to revert to a specific commit, you can use this command. So ChatGPT will do exactly what you have asked ChatGPT to do it. Let's see another instruction, which is about moving changes to a new branch. What if you have made changes to the example.txt file, but you want to move those changes to a new branch? Then you have to ask ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will give you the command for exactly what you have asked ChatGPT. So you have to type, I want to move changes to a new branch. Press enter and let's see. So there are some steps for doing it. You have to first use this command git stash. Then you have to create a new branch, and after that you have to switch to that branch, which can be done by checkout. And finally you can apply the changes by git stash and apply. So this was all about today's videos. These are just a few examples of what you can do with example.txt file using Git and ChatGPT. Git provides a wide range of functionalities for version control and managing files within a repository. Furthermore, you can also ask ChatGPT to give you more commands like I did, and you can learn easily by just asking ChatGPT. So in the next video, we will talk about how to write Linux commands and bash scripts using ChatGPT. So if you like the video, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish the video. Thank you guys for watching.